option in the SOLIDWORKS. Change user setting from a number you can customize on your own. Triangle, options, or options, and adjust the system or the on free field panel. Click right mouse button and activate the command customize. Analogical command have a in panel option from the drop down menu. Activate the command and add some panel and drag on the field. Or add some command, maybe some horizontal dimension, for example, select and click and hold left mouse button, drag on the field. Can drag the panel and analogical on the free field cursor, click and hold left mouse button, drag on the free field, or anytime can save on restore setting.